We are in the park. How much? So much fun.
We passed a cafe and we didn't stop.
For grilled cheese.
Props to us. Already winning.
I know, I know. We'll get it later, and that will be our reward.
Yes.
Let's look at everybody else. Whoa!
I almost got whacked in
There they are. I'm sorry.
selfies.
Okay. Wait, where's April? Oh, I found them. Okay, they're good. Okay.
Stay with the group.
We are going on a different trail. This one is not a grandma trail.
Let's do the limbo.
My bad. We finished the grandma trail. It was very grandma. Yeah.
Maybe that's why it's called the grandma trail. The grandma's
Oh, maybe.
There was a lot of benches.
And Ruth is here. Oh. There she is. And then there's everyone else that is walking way too fast.
Yes.
Okay.
We're just trying to enjoy the scenic route.
Yep. Walking at a leisurely pace. That's how you're supposed to hike. That's how you can enjoy the scenery. I'm so tired.
That looks so cute. It's like a heart. It's poison ivy.
It's not poison ivy.
It's okay. You guys move to the inch. You guys work it out.
Hello from the other side. At least I can say try not to tell you I'm sorry for breaking never shared. I called you never so to your face from the other side. At least I can say that I'm trying to tell you I'm sorry
for walking
so slow.
But
I call you never slow down your pace.
oh my goodness.
Man,
I'm about to die.
we're almost there.
We made it to civilization. I'm ready for my grilled cheese.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry.
Need water. I held my pee for a very long time.
I'm proud of you, April.
Good job, April. I'm really proud of you.
Oh, look, a butterfly.
Ew. Civilization. See, Girl Scouts, you'll learn that when you're closer to water or civilization, the soil gets wetter. I am very
We made it. we came back to the side. Founders Grove. There. Oh, that was a fail.
Yeah.
We made it. Yay! This is why we're not singers, guys. Okay, cool.